co-dominant leading stems. On this Grevillea gilverii, I have two. Co-dominant means we've got these two leading branches or stems here competing against each other. So this has created a V. Have a look here, you can see the V shape. This means this plant is susceptible to splitting down the guts. So don't worry, today we're going to fix this problem. Some tools of the trade I've got are some Fishka's loppers, just some Falco Sekis, and this little hand saw. First, we're going to start off, I'm going to choose a branch or stem to cut off. I'm going to keep the strongest one. This one here seems to be the strongest. It's got a nice sort of straight stem, and we'll just prune that up a bit. Now this one here is a bit weaker, and we're going to just remove that whole stem. First of all, we're just going to get the loppers just like this. I'm going to just take a bit of weight off this branch, so I'm going to just cut that off like that, and then we're going to just drop it down a little bit more. So I'm going to just take the next cut there, and we just have a tiny little stump here. So I'm just going to do a nice 45-degree angled cut, and that'll solve the problem. We open up the saw, and I'm just going to start from the bottom. I'm just going to aim to do a nice little 45-degree angle cut here. Okay, here we go. There we go, look at that. The water will run down, slide off here, and this branch, this stem will be nice and strong. So this plant is still on a bit of an angle out this way, so what I'm going to do is just cut off a few of these branches that are leading out this way, and I'll sort of train it so it'll sort of grow back up more straight again. So I'm going to get the Sekis. This branch is going to go right here. No, same deal again, another little angled cut, bang. This is the rare Grevillea gilverii from New Caledonia. So I don't want to lose this Grevillea. All right, what have we got down here? Yeah, look, I'll just give that a bit of a trim up down here. I might, yeah, leave that branch there. And there we go. That Grevillea is in a nice, much better shape. I'll take that one off there just before we finish up. Yep, as you can see, this is what we're left with now. No worries about anything splitting down here. And this Grevillea will grow up to be a nice, strong, healthy plant.